In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change Microsoft Planner background. Start by opening Microsoft Planner in your web browser and go to the plan where you want to update the look and feel. Make sure you are on the main board view where you can see your columns and tasks. If you have multiple plans, take a moment to confirm you are in the correct one before you change anything because the background is set per plan. Next, look toward the top area of the plan page for the plan's header section. In that header, select the highlighted area that opens plan options. This is the area that typically shows the plan name and related controls. Clicking here brings up a small menu with more settings for the plan. From that menu, choose Plan Details. This opens the Details panel for your plan, where you can manage key plan settings. The Plan Details area is where Microsoft Planner groups visual customization options, so this is the right place to be when you want to change the background. Inside Plan Details, click the highlighted option related to the plan's appearance. This is the control used to adjust the plan background. Depending on your screen size, it may appear as a button, a link, or a selectable thumbnail area. If you do not see it right away, keep your focus within the Plan Details panel and look for anything that references the plan background or shows a preview image. After you select that appearance option, you will be able to choose a new background style for the plan. Pick the one you want and give it a second to apply. A helpful tip is to choose a background that keeps task text easy to read. If you manage a lot of tasks, simpler backgrounds usually improve clarity. Next, return to the board and click Add a new bucket. This step helps confirm you are back in the working area of the plan after updating the plan details. You can name the bucket or leave it as is, depending on what you need. Finally, click the highlighted area shown on screen to finish and confirm the updated view. At this point, your Microsoft Planner plan should display the new background. That covers everything you need to know.